Hello, you guys. This is from DNS Productions. This is D. He's gonna shove a jamwich in his mouth at one time on my count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Eat it. Swallow it, Darren. D. Let's get close up on that. Come on, D. Get that down. He's coming around. What's to get out of the fridge? Milk. Oh yeah, that's a fine milk. That's a fine milk. Here we go. And we're making a mess. Here we go. He's getting a glass. He's gonna pour himself a glass of milk here. Oh, boy. Alright, get that in there. Alright. He's pouring it out. Alright. Tastes pretty bad, don't it, D? That's from the man right there. Alright.
It's kind of like it's kind of like
oh man. Guys, this is us doing our regular old thing.
It's kind of like poop.
That's poop.
I need some more milk. Look at that. Peanut butter all over the milk. I ate a jamwich whole. That's how you do it, boys.